Hello students, I hope you all are doing good. Myself, Jessica teacher from St. Paul's High School. So I'm back again with a new activity. So our today's activity topic is crab. So we learn how to make a crab. See like this. So this is a crab. Okay, so we learn this. So let's start with the video. Okay, so students, let's start making this crab. So what all things are required? Firstly, you need craft paper. So crab is usually in red or say orange. So I've taken this red craft paper. Then few rough papers which are again in red for making the legs. Okay, and a plate, glue, scissors, and your pencil. Okay, so now let's begin. So first, for making the crab's body, we'll first cut this paper into circle. So like this. First I'll draw a circle. Okay, one side I'll take so that I can use this side. So then we'll start cutting this. So cut it into circle properly. So I've already cut this into circle. I've taken A4 size paper and with the remaining paper, see, we can use it for making the legs. Okay, legs and the mouth, or say eyes. So now how to make that? So using that paper, see, you have to draw a circle like this and cut it for the eyes. Okay, circle, cut it properly in circle. So while using scissors, be careful, take help of your parents. Okay, so like this we have got two circles. Now we'll make another circle here on this one, this paper. So now we are going to make a circle smaller than this one. So I'll just place it and measure how big is it. So now I'll draw a small circle here. Okay, like this, and I'll cut it. So this is for the eyes. Okay, and for the legs, with this paper, see, you're going to fold this paper into half like this. Okay, fold in half, and on this side we'll draw half circle. Okay, like this, you can draw half circle. See, like this I have drawn half circle. So that half circle again I'll cut it. Okay, so like this you all will get. So we have to stick the circle. We have to stick the circle and then stick the legs like this. Same way this side also. Okay, we have to stick the eyes also. So accordingly we are going to stick it parallel like this. And then for the mouth I have taken two strips like this. See. Okay, I have again cut them. Apply glue on them like this. So I'm sticking it little slant. This way. And here also. And for the mouth, see, this way we are going to make. Okay, this way we are going to stick. So apply glue here. First let this stick properly. Same way, other one. Okay, like this. So apply glue. And then this way we are going to stick. So stick it properly. And with the help of a black marker, you can draw the eyes. First, you'll draw a circle. And a smiley face here. Half circle. And then I've cut like this. Okay, same technique as I've shown you all this how to cut for the legs. So using the same technique like grass I've made. So you can stick it down just for sake of background. Like this. So whatever you all want to add up for the background, you all can make your own background. See. So our crab is done. So isn't it simple? So I hope you all have understood how to make this crab. So make sure you all also make it nicely. Okay. So thank you everyone.